Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Momo and today I have another unboxing. I've actually ordered this a while ago, but it took a very long time to get here, and it's probably because everything is happening. But I haven't opened this, I'm just gonna open. Okay, so it's in like this box. And it is from Louis Vuitton. Comes in like this box. Has a receipt. It also comes with a little bag as well. That's actually really cute in this little box. Okay. So just gonna slip that open. I actually haven't seen this in real life. So. And there it is. The Louis Vuitton Summer 2020 Escale Collection Bandeau. It's actually a lot bigger than I expected. This is my first silk foily bandeau from Louis Vuitton. I have an Hermes one. If you compare to one from Hermes, like you can see the size difference. It's a lot bigger. I think I have a separate opinion about this color, but I really love this pastel kind of ombre rainbow color. I think it's really pretty. And then I'm gonna actually put this on my bag. Okay, so I just tied it onto my bag and then now it looks like this. I think it's really cute. It just gives a little bit extra on the bag. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing video. Please let me know if you have any other ways you think it will look good to tie this on the bag, or let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.